In this brief product demo, we will show you the key features of the PKRS Coaching app. The first page you will see is the plan page. This is where the user can access their custom daily training program. This plan has been built using the combined knowledge of world champion athletes, their coaches and support teams. On the plan page you can see a brief summary of each session, the name, the category of the session and a short description. On this particular day you can see that the athlete has 3 training sessions ahead of them. Each workout is listed in the order of importance. When you click or tap on a workout, it opens to reveal more key details. You can see the length of session and time. Next is a guide to the intensity of the session and how best to approach it. The last line provides details on the workout duration and training intensity. In the top right-hand corner of the plan page, you'll see the calendar icon. This is where users can make personal edits to their custom training program. Users can delete workouts, move sessions to different days, and even add their own custom workouts. This feature gives the athlete complete control over what workouts they do and when they choose to do them. The diet section gives the user a summary of the day's nutritional prescription. This is based on the workouts planned and the user's preferred approach to their diet, with options for meat eaters, vegetarian and vegan athletes. When you open this section, you can see a full set of meal plans for the day ahead. Note that these change on a daily basis to give the user much needed nutritional variety. Before a workout, users will prep a session to choose the ideal version for their needs. Here, the AI will suggest how the athlete should scale a workout given their state of recovery and fatigue. Users can also scale the session based on their available time and logistics. Once they choose an option, they get an even deeper set of details to help them do the workout as precisely as possible. After the workout is complete, the AI alerts the user that it has received a data file from their heart rate monitor. Now the athlete can debrief the session. Here the user will send comments direct to their coaching team about the session they have completed. They can alert their coach if they are having any injury concerns. Next, they provide valuable feedback about how the workout helped their mood and sense of well-being. Then they record how the session felt using perceived exertion. Next, they rate the muscular stress of the workout and the breathing response to the workout. All this data helps the AI and coaching team understand the total and holistic stress that the athlete is under. Each day, the AI will ask you to complete the morning check-in. This is a great opportunity for you to give feedback on how you are feeling so that the AI can adapt your training program to suit you best. First, you rate the quality of your sleep. Next, the amount of sleep and whether it was enough for you. Next, your stress levels. Then your muscular and general fatigue. The resulting recovery score determines how ready you are to train and absorb strain today. Lastly, you let the AI know if you are having any injury or health concerns at this time. All these answers are saved by the AI and allow it to then modify your training for the day. In this particular case, due to the athlete's high stress score, the AI will suggest adding a mindset session, such as meditation or a breathing exercise, to help bring some calmness and balance to the day. Next, since the athlete's recovery score was low, the AI will suggest removing some volume from the day's training load and placing the focus on just one key cardio training session. The resulting plan for the day is therefore updated and 100% custom to the user and their readiness to train on a particular day. This daily analysis and adaptation of the plan is unique to the PKRS.AI app and will help keep you injury-free, healthy, and permanently on the road to peak performance. A key part of the PKRS app is our tools library. Here the athlete can access proprietary videos on demand. This ever-expanding library offers videos that cover strength training, mindset development, injury prevention, and endurance sports techniques. In the lower right of the screen is the chat icon. Here's where the user can access their 24/7 coaching dream team. This particular user has a team of 3 coaches plus their concierge. Each coach is a specialist in their field. They are all certified and carefully selected to suit the needs of the individual user. All chats are stored and analysed by the AI to provide better advice and training prescriptions in the future. Most PKRS training sessions are based on heart rate. Heart rate is an excellent guide to the stress created by a workout and also the intensity of the workout. For cycling, many athletes also choose to use a power meter to provide a direct measurement of the workload being performed. By training in carefully calculated training zones, each session is made specific to your individual needs and physiology. Early on in your PKRS training program, you will complete test sessions designed to accurately calculate your individual training zones. These training zones are then stored in your smartwatch and the app for future use. PKRS is compatible with all major smartwatches on the market. You can link your smartwatch of choice to your PKRS account on the profile page in the app. This will allow you, Myra.AI, and your coaching team to access and analyse all of your training data on a regular basis.